everyone. Happy New Year from Kelly's Creative Dream Studios. You know me, I'm Kelly. And this is going to be a year that I take control of my business and bring you some different content, different scheduling this year, and just hopefully something for everyone. I will still be creating junk journals. January Junk Journal Challenge posted on Julie's channel at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time today, which is Friday. Today, as you're watching this, 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Julie's challenge video went up. So I will leave a link to her channel down below. You're going to want to check that out. I will still be doing Design Team Thursdays and Challenge Mondays, Design Team Thursdays, Teapot or Card Chick or card of some type on Tuesdays. Wednesdays is going to be business and planner related. So you're going to want to make sure, if you're interested in planners, whether you are a productive planner, you just like to play in your planner, whatever your case may be, Wednesdays will be planners. Thursdays is Design Team. Fridays will be freebies, and I'm not sure what. We're still going to continue with Shout Out Saturday on Saturday. Sundays, for a little bit, is going to be Stampin' Up! Sunday, but then we're probably going to shift to something else, and I will explain that when we get there. So, for now, first thing I wanted to talk about is, for Friday, freebie, New Year's, as I said, I'm taking control of my business, and you'll see this pretty rose gold cover from Happy Planner. I bought this on the Happy Planner Christmas sale a couple of weeks ago to go with my CEO strategy planner from Alexis Joystra, aka it's Alexis, aka Miss Trenchcoat, here on YouTube and all across the internet. Just Google her name and you'll find her everywhere. I have known Alexis for about 6 years, and I have followed her religiously. I love how she thinks. We both are disc planner people. We both are very oriented, very goal situated, as well as a lot of other similarities in our personas that we really like. So, the planner. This is the CEO. Let me get my page so I get it correct. The CEO Creative Entrepreneur Optimization Strategy Planner. And yes, this is going to be my business planner for 2021. With this planner from Alexis, I will be taking control of my business and making my business be what I want it to be, which is to build a life that will allow Bob and I to retire, which will allow Bob to retire, and we can still live within the means we've become accustomed, and I will have a business and an income to sustain me should something happen to him. So, this is where we're at. This is going to get me there. I'm going to leave a link down below for her business planner for creative entrepreneurs, which walks you through this planner section by section. And then next Wednesday, there will be a video with me having set up my first quarter in here. And I will be doing that on a monthly basis, showing you where I'm at in my month. And then at the end of the third month of each quarter, we'll set up the next quarter coming. We'll do a quarterly review and then talk about what's coming up in the next quarter. But this is the planner you want if you are serious about owning your own business. Having it as a side hustle or full-time doesn't matter. Business is business. And like any other business, you have to have a marketing plan. You have to have a business plan. You have to be able to track your finances. You have to be able to look ahead to where you want to be and the steps you need to take to get there. So this is a planner. It's a goal setting. It's a step-by-step taking you by the hand and walking you through your business. And I love it. I have watched the video umpteen times, both before and after purchasing her planner. I am also a member of her mastermind class, and we do a lot of networking in there. I'm going to link her charm shop down below. where you can look into one of her courses, and all of her, she's got freebies on her website that you can use within your planners, even if you're not interested in building a business. She's got some really cool freebies for planners. I have taken and cut mine to fit the Classic Happy Planner. I have the rose gold discs. I have not put the tabs in yet. I'm going to do that when I sit down to work through here. I have them printed out. Now, there's also a video on her channel. I recommend you subscribe. There's a video in there on how to print out your inserts. I kind of got lost in printing them the way she does when my printer went down. So I just kind of did it my way. But that's okay, it works for me. And that's the idea, do what works for you, but as long as you've got the content there. Now all my my page separations, my dashboards are all printed on vellum. I did my cover, I printed it in vellum, backed it with a piece of scrapbook paper that had a rose gold coordinating theme to it, and then I put it in a Happy Planner cover front and back, so that if I want to take this out and work with it on my desk, I can, just like the Happy Planner. But if I want to transport it somewhere, or I want to keep it on my shelf when I'm not working in it, then I can close it up and I can put it away. So, come back next Wednesday and see how I set up my CEO planner and how I set up for Q1 and what I'm looking to do in January. In the meantime, I hope you'll watch Alexis's video. Link is in the description box below. And purchase her planner, because if you're interested in running a business, this is a planner you need. I've been a planner since I was 10. I've used planners of all different kinds. The idea is to find the planner that's going to work for what you need it to do. Now, I have a catch-all that is my daily planner for everything that I do. But this one is strictly to focus on my Kelly's Creative Dreams business. All the avenues that I need to work with, whether it be my marketing, my business plan, building a list, what products I want to put in Etsy, what are the steps that I need to do when I break down a project. I also belong to her master plan group, and which is on Slack. And the first Saturday of every month, we have a Zoom meeting where we all get together, and she has a specific topic every month that we work on, either together or things for us to think about to work on after the Zoom meeting. So check out Alexis, aka Miss Trenchcoat, from the description box below. The other thing is my schedule is going to change, as you'll start seeing some changes gradually here on my channel. I'm working on stock photography, so I've got the pretty screens that go up on my videos. I'm going to learn more on the video editing, so I can clip in and clip out and that kind of stuff. It's just going to take me, it's a learning curve, and it's going to take me some time and some baby steps, and it's part of my projects that I'm going to be breaking down in my CEO planner. So, here's going to be the new lineup for 2021 for each month. Mondays are still going to be the monthly challenge, of which, as of 10:30 Pacific Standard Time this morning, Julie released the Just Junk Journal, January Just Junk Journal Challenge 2021. I will link her channel down below, and that should be the top video on her channel after 10:30 Pacific Standard Time this morning. So you can come join us in the Just Junk Journal Challenge, and it's going to be fun. I know it's going to be fun because I'm one of her Patreon members. And so as a Christmas present, instead of just getting a sneak peek on Patreon of what the next month's challenge was going to be, Julie gave us a week's head start by telling us what the January challenge was going to be. So we've had an entire week to gather supplies and start thinking about what our January Just Junk Journal was going to be. So, Mondays will still be that. Tuesdays, Card Chicks or Teapot Tuesdays, or cards of some type. Wednesdays are going to be business planner or planner editorial calendar. It's going to have something to do with planning on Wednesdays. Thursdays are still going to be design team. This month, I'm taking her pink vintage digitals and creating a planner from her digitals. So you're going to want to make sure you join me for that this month. Fridays are still going to be Friday Freebie. Who knows what's going to happen in here? Saturdays will still be Shout Out Saturday and a quick show through project. Sundays, for the time being, will still be Stampin' Up! Sunday, but that is going to change, so hang with me. Now, the only way some of these things are going to change is, number one, the first of every month, or as close as I can get to, either a couple of days before or a couple of days following the first of the month, I will be showcasing birthdays and anniversary cards that I need for that month. Now today, had it not been the week between Christmas and New Year's and Bob being home and us having to do stuff around here before he leaves next week, I'd have had my 8 birthday cards done to show you today. So I will get to those and show you those next week. Just hang with me. But that's what the first of the month is going to be. Now, depending on where the first of the month falls on other things will determine. You may get it the 28th of the previous month, or you may get it the 3rd or 4th of that month. But the very first part of the month will be birthdays and anniversary cards. I'm determined to stay on track with my birthdays and anniversary cards this year. My word for the year is control. And I'm going to start taking control of some of the things that I have let slide. There you go. Reindeer Club is back on track with a new focus this year. However, because Rudolph flies on Christmas Eve, the Reindeer Club will now run on the 24th. Depending on where the 24th falls on what day within the planning, within my week, that will determine what you see and how much of something you see on the 24th. The 25th, I'm teaming up with Deb's Crafty Cottage, and they break down a paper pad on the 25th of every month. Pick a paper pad, break it down, see how much you can create out of that paper pad. I have my 6x6. I have 2 4x6 pads. The rest of them are all 6x6. And I will take a pad each month and break it down into cards, miniature journals, something. And so I've chosen those already out for the month. I'm going to create these into stickers, put them in my planner so I know what's coming up. January 25th, I will be showing you Valentine cards so that I will have Valentine cards ready to go come the 1st of February. Because I have some that go overseas and I'd really like them to get there by Valentine's Day. So that's going to be my January. So that will be on the 25th. Other than that, I think everything is pretty much going to stay the same. Friday freebie on some things may become an organization tip. Several of you have asked how I store specific things. My studio is still really bad, but it's making progress. Bob took over household duties the Saturday, Sunday after Christmas, and I did nothing but work in the office for 2 days. It was amazing what I could get done without having to worry about the pets, the cooking, the dishes, the laundry. He even did laundry. Go figure. He's a pretty good guy. I think I'll keep him. So that's going to be us for this month, this year. I am taking control in 2021, and I hope you'll join me for the ride. If you do not want to miss a thing, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell and that you click for all notifications. And if any of this sounds like something that you would like to see, click that little like button, because I am pushing for 1,000 subscribers come Valentine's Day. So shower me with the love and hit that subscribe. And I will see you back here tomorrow for the first Shout Out Saturday of 2021. Creative blessings.